Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Yesterday, Local Bodies Minister Sanjeev Arora has issued an official statement that the abandoned, confiscated or unclaimed vehicles which are lying dumped within the police station or outside the police stations on the roadside, they are now moved to, need to be moved to the government land outside the city limits. So we are showing you the visuals over here at the Division number 5 police station. You can see there are several two-wheelers which are lying dumped within the police station building over here, and similar visuals are there from the different police station, whether it is Saraba Nagar police station, Basti Jodewal police station or Salem Tabri police station, where the confiscated vehicles or the unclaimed vehicles, they are lying dumped within the police station building, or whether they are dumped outside the on the roadsides outside the police stations. So these vehicles, many of which have been lying unattended for years, will now be relocated to designated vehicle yards within a period of 30-day deadline. So Sanjeev Arora said that these vehicles need to be moved to the government land outside the city limit within 30-day deadline. So according to the minister, joint teams comprising the police department, municipal corporation, traffic police, district administration have been instructed to immediately conduct surveys, prepare a complete inventory and ensure time-bound implementation of the order. So decision comes in response to multiple civic concerns. Firstly, public safety. He mentioned that old and scrapped vehicles pose a serious fire hazard, especially in congested urban areas due to fuel residue, faulty wiring and flammable materials. Secondly, Sanjeev Arora mentioned that it is the public health, as the abundant vehicles and often collect stagnant water, becoming breeding grounds for mosquitoes and rodents, increasing the risk of dengue, malaria and other diseases. So similarly, he mentioned the third issue, that there is misuse of government land. So police station premises are meant for operational duties and emergency services, not for long-term dumping of vehicles. So additionally, vehicles lying on the roadside and public land cause traffic obstruction, damage the city's aesthetics and leak oil and chemicals that contaminate soil and groundwater. So Minister Sanjeev Arora, he clarified that this action is fully backed by law, including provisions under the Motor Vehicle Act, Central Motor Vehicle Rules, Solid Waste Management Rules and the Punjab Municipal Corporation Act. So before the removal of vehicles, a clear procedure will be followed. All vehicles will be tagged and photographed. Notices will be pasted on them, and wherever ownership can be traced, vehicles owner will be informed and given an opportunity to claim their vehicles legally. So confiscated vehicles will be shifted only after completing all mandatory legal formalities, ensuring that judicial proceedings are not affected. So all relocated vehicles will be sent exclusively to the authorized scrap yards and recycling facilities, strictly following environmental and pollution control norms. So appealing to the public, Minister Sanjeev Arora urged citizens to cooperate in this citywide cleanliness and safety drive and asked the vehicle owners to proactively resolve the status of abundant vehicles with the concerned authorities. He emphasized that urban land is a valuable public resource and must be used efficiently for public welfare. So the initiative, it marks a strong push towards organized urban governments, reinforcing the government's commitment to cleaner streets, safer cities and improved quality of life for citizens. So now Sanjeev Arora has issued this official statement, and now it will be looked how the authorities, whether it is municipal corporation, city police, traffic police, district administration, how they bring this order into, how they implement this order. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to The Sovera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.